Progress is born on the track, built for the road. For Audi Sport, progress is pushing every limit, and that is just the starting line. Audi sport cars are designed by motorsport engineers and tested for 5,000 miles on the Nürburgring. The R8 Coupe shares 50% of the LMS race car's parts, from the space frame to even the same V10 engine. And for the first time in the US, the R8 isn't the only example of an Audi Sport street and race car similarity. Introducing the RS3 LMS, our newest factory-built race car. Over 150 parts are shared with its street car sibling, the all-new RS3. The links between the track and road aren't just skin deep. That connection is strongest under the hood. There is a certain sound for those who know it, of instant recognition. An Audi is just around the corner. Since the rally race days and on, competing against 6 and even 8 cylinders, Audi dominated the track with just 5. The all-new RS3 carries on that 40-year legacy with our most powerful version yet. With over 390 horsepower and 354 pound-feet of torque, the RS3 can achieve 0 to 60 in 3.9 seconds. And that unique 5-cylinder sound will forever be synonymous with Audi. Exceptional performance in a car derived from the track is of no surprise. But the driver-centered design and technology of an Audi sport car just might be. The beauty and craftsmanship of RS design is represented perfectly in the all-new TTRS. The honeycomb single-frame grille, RS bumpers, and cross-drilled rotors help define its design philosophy. The steering wheel controls of the R8, RS Sport seats, and the virtual cockpit sport mode round out the race car-like interior. Launch control in Audi sport cars beguile their listed 0 to 60 times for one reason that needs no introduction. In the DNA of Audi Sport lies a certain aesthetic, a certain power, and a certain statement. This isn't just a sportier car for the road, but a representation of a near century-long record of dominance on the track. That DNA is only available in one small family. A family that in the US continues to grow with yet even more models coming in the near future. Born on the track, built for the road. This is the fearless legacy that continues to define us. This is Audi Sport.